Red beans lobia recipe. Ingredients: beans 1 kilogram, oil half cup, onion 1 large, tomatoes medium size 3, green chili 5 to 6, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Spices: salt for taste, Salan masala 1 tablespoon, Garam masala 1 tablespoon, zira powder 1 teaspoon, dhania 1 teaspoon, chicken powder 1 tablespoon, haldi, turmeric half teaspoon, white vinegar 2 tablespoon. Add baking soda 1 tablespoon and leave it for at least 2 hours. Wash it well. Put it in pressure cooker and add 2 liter water and 1 teaspoon salt. Pressure cook for 40 minutes. Cook it until its color change. Add tomato puree paste. Add spices, vinegar, and green chili. Cook it for 10 minutes. Add salt. Grind 1 cup beans. Add beans paste and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add beans. Mix it well and cook it on a low flame for 20 minutes. Ready. Hope you enjoy this recipe. You can serve it with white rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.